A Spanish biotech company Bioo developed a battery that utilizes soil microbes to generate electricity. The battery is set in the ground. When it is irrigated or receives rain, nutrients and microbes in the soil leach into the battery. Their feeding activity creates protons and electrons. When combined with oxygen flowing in through holes in the battery, the process generates enough electricity to power lights, screens, or small appliances. Unlike solar panels or wind turbines, soil microbes never stop generating energy. As a result, the flow of power is consistent, even when the sun isn't shining or on a windless day. Soon, our lawns and plants could be powering our lights, screens, music, and even extending Wi-Fi. Eventually, we could run our entire houses off this cheap source of clean energy. How do you like the idea of your lawn powering your house? Please let us know in the comments below.
For more fascinating science and technology news, click the thumbnail on your screen. If you're a fan and want to do something good for the planet, click the subscribe button.